Right, we come to the last question. Okay, I've drawn the 40. I'm just going to draw in the vertical lines. Okay, some say this looks like a Lego block, but whatever. It's still a practice, so you should be able to do that quite easily. So, okay, so I have the 40 mm here. The width of it is about 20. And so it's a relatively thin piece of about 15, I think, so it's there. So again, coming up, draw this over this side. Okay, the overall length is about 60, so I'm gonna just say that it's gonna be somewhere here. Okay, and again, so at the back, the rectangular block is done. So what I need now is the center. So okay, so I'm gonna just draw in the crate for my square. So okay, so that's one square, this is another square. I'm going to draw in the diagonal lines. Okay, so I'm going to draw is I'm just going to quickly draw the circle here, one and another one. And because this protrudes out by certain amount, see, I'm actually taking that and I'm just drawing the line out. Okay, so I'm getting it here. My second, so I realize that this is going to be slightly longer. Second one has to be coming out here, and I'm going to use that as a guide, sort of to establish that this is the point, and my second round cylinder will be here. So what I'm going to get is, this is my final round, okay, two round cylinder sticking out. Okay, so again, same thing, darken with pen. Okay, so that's my second one. Okay, and then my lines quickly drawn in. Okay, again, light from the top. Because it's a cylinder, it will be darkest here, then lighter, then after that go darkest again. Same for this. Okay, this is level 3, this is level 1, this is level 5, level 3. Okay, so quite straightforward rendering. So again, just quick one. Okay, bear in mind that I'm using pen so that my pen will cover all the pencil marks. And if you're using pencils, the same thing as well, so you can actually cover up all the pencil marks as if you do the rendering over. Okay, so that's level 1. Because this part here, I'm just going to do this, quickly do the cylinder so that I can gauge how I go. So you can see that this is darker, alright, and then that's it filter down, okay, as it goes. So this is darkest, then it goes lighter and lighter. Okay, same for this, then same for the other side and the bottom. Okay, so I am now able to judge that my level 3 is somewhere this shade. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to color in my level 3. One more time. Okay, to get my level 3. Same for this side. one more time. Okay, and this is level 5. So just keeping it over here so that I don't have to clean up too much towards the end. You can adjust the paper to whichever angle is most suitable for your hand, because right now my hands are in between the tripod which is supporting the camera which is taking this video, so I have to move it around so that, you know, my hands are only free to move in one direction because of the tripod. Okay, so that's basically why I'm having it to move around, but that's the other reason why. So now that I got it completed, what I'm going to do is just going to darken it. Okay, so once you darken it, you can see that the picture will be more clearer and more effective. Yeah, so please take note that this is a rendering, so it's okay to make little mistakes here and there, as long as the final outcome is what you intend to do, and the you know, it just shows how the thing is. So now again, because the light is there, so what I get is this, alright, and then after that there's a little bit more shadow for the cylinder, so just this part here as well. So I'm just going to darken this. And then after that, this part is being darker as well. And this part is 3. Okay, you may want to argue that it's not really true, but okay, this is just an exaggerated view of what the artist may draw, so it's up to you. Okay. Okay, so this is mine. Okay, so that's my drawing.